Blue Circle Extra Rapid Cement is one of the family. It's the fast one. An extremely fast-setting cement and is available in plastic weatherproof bags for large jobs and handy-sized plastic tubs for smaller jobs. It's the perfect choice when time on site is limited, or if the weather conditions are against you, leaving you less time to get the job done. Setting twice as fast as standard cement, Blue Circle Extra Rapid sets in approximately 30 minutes, gets the job done faster, giving you more time. Whatever your trade, plumber, bricklayer, landscaper, or fencing contractor, where weather plays a major role in your working day and you're looking to save time and get the job done faster so you can move on to your next job sooner. Or a large maintenance contractor working in public access areas with lots of foot traffic, time is limited and you need to get off-site within the day, fast-setting, time-saving Blue Circle Extra Rapid is the perfect solution, whatever your trade. To find out more about one of the family, Blue Circle Extra Rapid Cement, or any other bagged or tub products in the range, visit tarmac-bluecircle.co.uk. To save you more time, you'll find our online calculator to help you work out quantities and the number of bags or tubs you'll need for the job. For information about mixing specific concrete and mortars, you can download our detailed builder's guide. Before using any of our products, please refer to the product packaging for all health and safety information. All our plastic packaging is made from recyclable material and should be disposed of in the correct manner.